Birds in Greek mythology were far more than just creatures of the sky. They were divine messengers, symbols of power, and even representations of the human soul. These feathered beings played crucial roles in ancient tales, connecting the mortal world with the realm of the gods. In Greek myths, birds often acted as celestial couriers, delivering messages straight from the gods. The Iliad provides a striking example when King Priam of Troy asks Zeus for a sign. An eagle appears, its wings spread wide, offering a powerful omen of hope. Similarly, in the Odyssey, a seer interprets the flight of two eagles as a message foretelling Odysseus's return and the fate awaiting Penelope's suitors. The ancient Greeks practiced ornithomancy, the art of divination through birds. This involved interpreting the direction of flight, the species involved, and their behavior patterns. A rightward flight might bring cheer, while an unexpected left turn could spell trouble. The east, where the sun rose, was considered particularly auspicious. Among all birds, eagles held a special place in Greek mythology. These majestic creatures soared as symbols of power, victory, and divine protection. Zeus, the ruler of Mount Olympus, chose the eagle to represent his thunderous presence. In Homer's works, eagles frequently appeared in scenes or prophecies, always carrying significant meaning. Birds were also viewed as reflections of the human soul, often serving as metaphysical transports between life and the afterlife. The phoenix, for instance, symbolized renewal and the immortal soul's resilience. Athena's owls weren't just wise companions, they voiced existential mysteries, suggesting the soul's wisdom transcends earthly limits. Other birds held their own symbolic significance. Crows often foretold doom, acting as oracles of misfortune. Owls, associated with Athena, embodied wisdom and enlightenment. Swans were seen as graceful ambassadors of transformation and love, often linked to Aphrodite and tales of romantic encounters. In Greek mythology, birds were profound symbols and messengers, bridging the gap between the divine and the mortal. Their stories of wisdom, transformation, and authority continue to resonate, reminding us of the timeless interplay between humanity and nature. In these ancient tales, every wing beat carries whispers from the gods themselves, inviting us to look beyond the ordinary and find meaning in the world around us.